Yesterday, I created a LinkedIn page for my companies. The main reason that I created a LinkedIn page for the company was so that over here, where you looked at my experience, you'll actually see a logo. However, when you go into the back end of your company page, there are still all of these things that you should do in order to make sure that it's a quality company page. And so here they have a checklist of things. So industry, company size, logo, website URL, and reach more candidates were all something that you could set up on your sign up when you sign up for the LinkedIn company page. But these other things that I think are also important, like description, location, and even a custom button, are things that will definitely help people find your page. So let me actually go to, now this is going to be a experiment because I created 2 company pages yesterday and I left one open so I could come back to it, but I don't know where you find the rest of your pages. So let me oh, here we go. Okay, so right under your me, you have an option to go to your profile, and then you also have an option to go to your company. So that is very convenient. I'm going to right click and then I'm just gonna open a new tab to the right just so I can bring up my website, because I'm likely just going to copy and paste the items that are in there. Let's get some scrolling happening here. Okay, so description, here we go. And I'm uncertain if these emojis will be a thing over here. Okay, so we have 2,000 characters. I doubt that that's 2,000 characters, and the emojis did transfer in. Now, one thing that I am wondering, just because I can bring the emojis in, I'm wondering if I should, just for professional quality, but I think I'm gonna leave it for now. All right, so website, and then all of this information I had already given. So now it has a description. So one post that I can start right now. So you can post this as is or try another link. We've just have to, okay, I guess that'll be just the first post. Cool. Share this post on your profile. Not now. Okay, cool. So it does give you that option. Does it give you that option every time? Let's see. Start a post. There is a ice cream truck outside, and I have my windows open because it's cool enough that I can have natural air right now, and it is just playing all the child jams. So I'm hoping that when I go over this audio, it is not bad. All right, Damager Kazun is excited to launch the Solopreneur's Guide to Entrepreneurial Success. And then so what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding some copy to it because I've already launched the course officially, but this is on the company page and I just don't want to confuse the other people. So I can't believe this is taking me this, wow, what is that, long to create a company page. And post. Oh, you can schedule things now? I love that. Wow, you can schedule posts now. Yes, okay. I was unaware of that, but I love it. All right, so I'm just get rid of some of this. Because what we were doing, oh, did I get rid of the wrong one? I did. What we were doing was managing the checklist items to make sure that we have a successful. All right, so next I need a location. Do I have to have a street address? Okay, yeah, it doesn't have a street address. And now we have a location. Wonderful. No thanks. I like that it prompts you to do engagement while you're setting up your page. Cool. I don't want to explore that right now. What else? Invite connections, custom button, hashtag. Oh, here we go. Add a hashtag. 3 hashtag topics that matter to your page. I would say a better hashtag. Okay, so now I have my hashtags. Sure. Oh, every time it's gonna be that same thing? Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. All right, I will add a custom button. Save. No thanks. And I would invite connections, but wow, 100 out of 100 credits up there. Okay, so I'll just wait to do that. But for the most part, I've got all but one of those things completed, and we'll see what that does for engagement in terms of how many people follow the page. But I already know that I'm not going to be on this page as much as my personal page, because like I said, like look how many I've been posting almost every day, which I'm pretty proud of. But the main reason why I created the company page was so that I could have logos here and make my personal page look a little more official. So that's just kind of the basic functionality, going through the checklist on setting up your LinkedIn company page and what that looks like in 2023. Because I'm pretty sure learning that there is a way to schedule, actually let me check that now, because I wonder if that's just a business thing or if it's everyone. Okay, so yes, as of January 6, 2023, you can actually schedule your LinkedIn posts. So that is something that I learned today with you. That is all for this video. Until next time, my lovely, I look forward to spreading some more entrepreneur wisdom.